In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update NAD AI. So by updating your NAD AI, you'll be able to fix any issues related to your app. You'll also be able to get the latest features that comes with this NAD AI. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to do this, first you need to go ahead and look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store here and then search NAD AI, just like that. And you can see we have our NAD AI here. Now you can see I have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of this app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of NAD AI and then install it. Now once the app is installed, go ahead and tap on open to start using the latest version of NAD AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.